You have to cut your losses before it's too late. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. Sometimes you just have to cut your losses before it's too late. Sometimes you have to let go of people before it's too late. You have to let go of those sunken costs that you're never going to get back. You're never going to get back the time you put into a business that's now failing. You're never going to get back that time and effort you put into a relationship that hasn't worked out. You're not going to get back that time you put into learning how to drive, and now that you failed your test. You have to learn when to cut your losses. Don't wait until it's too late. Also, don't stay in a relationship that isn't working out just to prove a point. Don't keep your business that's losing you money just to prove a point, just to say that you've got a business. Don't stay in situations that are harming you so that you can say you've got them, so you can still hold on to that little bit of credibility. Sometimes you have to cut your losses. Also, don't hang on to friendships that have now become toxic because of the amount of years it's taken to build this relationship, this friendship. Sometimes people may have changed. You should always know when to cut your losses. I know that it's difficult. Sometimes, letting go of relationships that you've had for years, for 15-20 years is very difficult. But it's better to have to cut your loss then, rather than waited 30 years and then now you've wasted more time. Now you don't even recognize yourself in the mirror. You have to choose yourself. You have to try and focus on what is bringing value to your life, what's adding value to your life. You can't just hold on to things because of how they were, because of what they used to represent. Sometimes it's easier to accept that the moment has passed, accept that the water has flown. You have to accept that yes, this business endeavor hasn't worked out where you thought it should. You have to accept that maybe this is the career path that I thought I wanted to go into. I've been here for 15 years, but now it's my time to do something that I love. You have to choose yourself and learn when to cut your losses, before it's too late. You don't want to have to look back and regret all the things you put aside for other people, to regret having to stay in a toxic relationship so you can prove to people that you're still in a relationship, so you can prove to people that you've been married for the longest time, even though you're still unhappy. It's okay to leave situations that you've been in for years so that you can become your true version of yourself, so you can become happy. So guys, don't just stay in a situation, toxic situations, because you're scared of what other people will think, or because you feel like you can't find better, or because you feel like you've wasted time, so you might as well stay there. Don't do that. That doesn't add anything to you. That's detrimental. That is not part of becoming the best version of yourself. That will not make you successful and achieve your goal, and successful in a way that you've always wanted to be. Okay, thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to choose yourself and learn when to cut your losses before it's too late. And thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.